Well, here we are again. I've completed cleaning up this old Joseph Weidenhoff motor rather. And as you can tell, it cleaned up real good, beautifully. I'm really impressed by how well it was able to clean up. I didn't have to put a whole lot of effort into it, being that the surface again is japanned, which is an asphalt-like coating that's baked on. It was done in a lot of the old equipment that was produced back in the 20s and 30s and sometimes even into the 40s, but good majority of it was done in those early times. Beautiful old motor. Cleaned the shafts up with the Scotch-Brite. Didn't add anything more, and part of the front of the shaft required just a little bit more than the Scotch-Brite, which essentially was a 1000 grit sandpaper lightly rubbed onto the shaft while I ran it on the lathe. Turns beautiful, as a matter of fact. As you can see, that's the way she's supposed to turn, with your hand, nice and free. And next stop for this guy is going to be the motor shop, where I can have the windings checked and everything done accordingly. And if there are any turn-to-turn shorts or anything of the sort, that will be found with the equipment they have there. I checked it with a voltmeter, and everything appears to look pretty good considering its age and the amount of runtime it's had on it. But I think I play it safe and let a motor shop look at it very carefully. Again, this is a Joseph Weidenhoff, probably 1929, 1930. And as you can see, I have the commutator brushes off of this thing right now, and the lead's just kind of hanging there. What I am going to do is clean those up nice and gently, and the springs actually broke, as you can tell here. These are the actual commutator brushes, or brush assembly, and just got to finish cleaning these guys up. The interesting part is I pulled these springs out, and they were kind of broken here, or kind of are broken, but rather than trying to do anything with these springs, I just went to McMaster Car and I'm looking to order and then modify a set of torsion springs that will go back in here and hold the brushes accordingly. But again, try to do what I can as safely and as conveniently as possible. She's a beautiful old motor. Let's see how she comes out once I get her running.